Kantor Kapatisi TV. Kabul, Kamashin Kabalas Nakarpang Kabakhamskem, Kamsted, Kamklan, Batbaduna Bam Umpnia.
Ka Sarkar Jala Kalakarpat ya ka Migelia Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association ban Weng no ya ki Jingïakhih bat ban wan sya ka Miej Jingïakren bat ka Sarkar khanang bandupla ban Weng ya ki Jingïe apakila mat shikata haka jingkran bat kila patai kubor haka nyauterik unai wing arjar absan usumbur menteri rangba ka jela ubakami ya katanan kampo ying uba Prestone tensong ulai thu baka Sarkar kala pelong ya ka jelang balap penya da usumbun menteri rangba uba singaw balang dhar bat ka MCTODA ban yakren bat ban yatheri yata yek jingdawa jongki.
The latest is in fact today in the afternoon our honorable Deputy Chief Minister Sri Singapore who is also looking at the transport department. He has a meeting with them again today in the afternoon. So from the government side we requested them to withdraw the agitational program, and instead of doing that, better you come to the table for discussion. So now we have requested them to immediately lift the agitation, and we are waiting for the decision to be taken by them, I think, now in the evening.
What about the people who are arrested?
That, the law will take its own course. That's what I'm saying. So first of all, we would request all of them to call off the program and make sure that the movement, the traffic movement goes smoothly as usual.
This love has no ceiling, I cannot deny. All we need is some